Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Now today we're going to do a trade review of our own live interactive trading feed on Telegram. Now joining us to discuss his broadcast on the euro against the US dollar yesterday is our head of global brokerage here, Lenny Volpicella. How you doing, Lenny?
Doing very well, and yourself?
Fantastic, now that you're here. Now what happened with this euro dollar?
Yeah, well, I was observing price for the past few weeks. Obviously, over an 8-week stretch, we've seen quite a bearish momentum form on the euro dollar. We've approached the 79% retracement level of the entirety of this year's range. And through multiple trading sessions last week, we did struggle to breach the 107 level. Now, yesterday I did point out this level. And funnily enough, we ended up trading just above it throughout our New York session. So we traded to 107.05. And then from there, we saw a significant reversal. We ended up trading back up 60 pips or so. We did not breach the Asia session high that was formed earlier in the day, although today is going to be extremely interesting to see how price action forms around the CPI data. We know inflation's been one of the key talking points across the world, but in particular the US dollar.
It's like it's the only talking point this year, right?
Correct.
Inflation, interest rates, inflation.
So, I mean, two sides to it. If we see a better than expected result, then obviously the US dollar could continue its rally that we've been seeing. However, if inflation does taper down, then this could spur some weakness in the dollar, and ultimately those G10 pairs in the likes of the euro could start to form a pretty significant rally.
And it's beneficial that the market has shown us yesterday and a few days before this 107 level is holding. So there is some strength coming into play there, which you pointed out beautifully. Now, Lenny, I know late last week, I was looking at a similar weakness coming into play by broadcasting a key level on the SP 500. Now, it's a bit simpler than yours, but I find that multiple reasons at key levels for the same reason, you can almost wash and repeat them, can't you? So I was going from the all-time high on the SP 500 down to the most recent low. So it retraced 79% retracement, as well as coinciding with a weekly and daily level of resistance that it had failed at. A beautiful hammer had formed as well. So they're the sort of multiple reasons why I was looking at that SP 500 on the indices. And of course, from there throughout this week, we've seen it fail significantly from that level. At this point, with the data coming out that has been pretty negative on the US, then there's no reason to suggest this may not continue. Now, Lenny, could you tell our viewers, how do they get access to our live interactive trading feed on Telegram?
Yeah, of course. So it's going to be available to any of our live account holders. To get access, feel free to email Nathan Bray. His email is going to be found in the description below. On top of that, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel as we're posting daily content in relation to market news. On top of that, if you've liked today's video, leave a thumbs up and we'll catch you in the next one.